guys, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to a brand new video. Now for today's video guys, I am excited. So for today's video, we are whacking out the pressure washer again. So this company actually sent me out this pressure washer, and today I've actually gone ahead and at me mum. Lovely shots, mum, lovely. In my last video, I actually showed you guys that I got the pressure washer. We tried it out, but we used the detergent bottle which came with it. And for today's video, we went out and bought this, a foam cannon. This is what we're going to be using to make my car sexy. My G. Alright, so we've got all the stuff for the pressure washing, but there's one thing we need to do before. Alright, so first thing we got to do, now, is we got to get it dirty. Well, that was successful. We've literally got dirt dripping off the car. That is the most dirty my car's ever been. And then look at this alloy right here. Look at this, beautiful. It's meant to be black. Back of the car, we've got bird shit on it. I did not plant that there, or that's my shit actually. Okay, so we've got the pressure washer out now. We've got the foam spray, and these are the two things that is going to make this car orgasmic. So we've got the foam cannon. This is like £15 on Amazon, and then I've also got a Bosch to Karcher adapter. So the foam cannon didn't fit my pressure washer, so I went out and bought this. And then it goes like this. And then you say hello to my little friend. So what we're going to do now is we're going to get this all set up, and then we're going to go and spray my car. Right, next thing we're going to do is we're going to put in the foam cannon like that. Fits perfectly with the adapter. Yeah. So we've got the thing already, just need to turn the thing on. So you turn it on, it makes a massive loud noise, but there we go. Let's do this. It's like a fucking marshmallow.
With me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Ay, coming down like precipitation. I ain't never met a limitation.
Now we're going on to the back, literally. Come look at this. My number plate looks like it's been in a fucking desert. If this don't make somebody want to get a flipping snow gun, I don't know what will. So basically we've took off the foam gun right now because there's only a little bit left. It's raining like crazy and my camera's getting wet. But the foam cannon cost about £15 off Amazon, and the adapter for it, which some people might not need, is another like £8 to £15. That's just because I have a Sealey pressure washer, which is it's not the same fit as a Karcher one. So we've basically left it on for like 5 minutes now. We're gonna now obviously hand wash it. So here's the first hand wash, just for the band. So we're gonna start from here. Ready? Look. Look at that. So much cleaner. There we go. All those little bits are bird shit. So we're going to jet wash it off, and then we're going to carry on hand washing it. We took off the foam attachment, and then we now just push it on this one. And there we go. Here is the car now cleaned. Come on. From when it was covered in dirt, oh my god, look at it. Look at the number plate. The number plate looked like it was in the desert last time. Look at that. Sparkling. Look at that. Squeaky. Squeaky clean. Alloys sparkling. Honestly. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you guys did enjoy. If you've got to the end of this video, then comment wheel. And subscribe to the first person who does that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.